Turning 100,000 miles. Come on, baby, turn. 100,000. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. $100,000 miles. 100,000 miles. Come on. Come on. Oh, 100,000 miles. Look at that, baby. Look at that. But we are going to preview this 1998 Jaguar XJR. 100,000 miles. We made it. Woohoo! Hey, Mitch Grooms back for another video. You rarely see me in front of a camera, but I think today might be the day I'm going to do it. So this is me. It is hot here in Atlanta, Georgia. It's about 98 degrees. I didn't dress up for you, but today we have a special treat. As you saw, the car turned 100,000 miles. 100,000 miles here in the States. You know, UK, you call it something else. I'm going to go, this is probably a two-part video. I'm going to go through the whole thing that I've spent on this Miss Red, and I'm going to tell you if you can afford to own one of these cars as a daily driver. Now, there's going to be two parts of this. I'm going to tell you what I spent. I got this car in 2018, sorry. And then I'm going to tell you what I spent on getting the car where it is today. I'm going to tell you what I saved doing the work myself. DIY, do it yourself. This is why I do this channel. I want you guys to understand that you can do this yourself if you really put the effort in and go to Google and Google things and try to do the work yourself. That is where I want you guys to do, is do it yourself, because the mechanics are going to screw you over. They screwed me over so bad. I'm going to go through what I spent. I've gone through all the videos. I've gone through all my paperwork. I'm going to show you what I've gotten, what I've done, how I saved this car from death twice, and we'll go into detail. And so now I'm going to go ahead and show you around the car, and let's see how this car is stood up all these years. 1998 Jaguar XJR just turned 100,000 miles. Let's go. All right, so let's go to a deeper look at this car. Now, you know, I've always said this car is showroom condition new. It is not now. I do have issues. So the seats are splitting. But guess what? The headliner is in perfect shape after all these years. So the seats are wearing, and of course things like that. Now I can fix that. Back seats still have not been sat in. They're in perfect shape. This car is, the leather is really dirty. This car has not been waxed since I had it repainted. All right, let's show you the other seat. Sorry for my reflection on all those videos, but hell, the car is too shiny. I can't stop it. So there you go, another thing. So this car is finally showing its age, but I tell you what, it still looks very presentable. Very presentable. Car does need to be detailed, but look at the shine still. All these years. I do need to replace the motor to the antenna. Still looks showroom new right here. I did find something yesterday, never knew before. Got something right there. Never seen it before. Actually, it wasn't there before, but something's happened. Don't know. Asteroids, I put those on. The wood is starting to crack. It's not the wood actually, it's the coating on the top of the wood. It's not the burl walnut cracking itself. Oh, the engine. Yeah, I'll show you the engine. All right. So the second part, we're going to go through all the paperwork, what I spent on this car, pricing. Basically, everything in this engine is new except internal parts. Okay. I do have the tensioners and guides done. Didn't do the chain, but the guides and tensioners are new. But everything on the outside has been replaced, and we're gonna go over that. Okay. And the shine of the hood. It's holding up pretty well, guys. Looks very, very nice still after all these years. The tires are not that old. I do have the belly pan I need to put back on right here. I have all this as well. I need to do that, but I just haven't done it. All right, so now that you've seen a closer look, now let's go to the paperwork of this video. Probably be starting part 2 right now. All right, keep on watching.